Hey there, today we're going to look at how to make a calendar in Trello. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to trello.com. Over here. Click on the login button at the top right corner. Then log in using your email or Google account. Then navigate to the Your Workspaces section and select the board where you want to add the calendar. Once you're inside the board, look for the Power Ups option in the menu. Over here, click on Add Power Ups. In the search bar, type Calendar. Then click on the Calendar Power Up from the results and add it to your board. If Trello asks for confirmation, go ahead and allow it. Now that the Calendar Power Up is added, go back to your board menu and click on Calendar. Over here, you'll now see all your cards with due dates in a calendar view. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.